Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll give an update about DIA coin. The ticker symbol is DIA. You can see this is up around 25% so far today. Later in the video, I'll give you exact entry price where you should buy this coin, where to take profit for a sale. Either buying this mine right now is a good idea or not. All the good stuff technical levels will be discussed here in this video. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's start this point open at the daily chart on the DIA coin. And if I zoom out all the way right here, you can see our rally are in a downtrend. But if I zoom in this section of the market, then you can see for the last couple of weeks or so, we have been grinding towards the upside. And it is making very, very nice bullish momentum tenders along the way. So technically, the trend and the momentum is up. So what we can do is to buy the coin, but I do not want to buy the coin when the market is already moving up like this. I would wait for some sort of pullback to give me a better entry price on this. So let me go down to the 4-hour chart and do that. So right here on the 4-hour time frame, I can see this confluence of support and resistance area. This trend line has been broken, and right now I will wait for this area to come and retest this. So this would be the area right here, as you can see at around 57 cents region. We have a nice confluence of support and resistance lining up perfectly right here. So if you see price dipping down to that level, expect a bounce towards the upside. Another level is I can see is by plotting a trend line like this and like this. So somewhere here in this region, I will be looking to buy right here as well because of the obvious support in the distance area. So if you see price dipping down to that level, expect a bounce towards the upside. So basically, these are the two levels right here somewhere. And somewhere here, I'll be looking to buy. And if the price comes down to one of these levels or near these levels, and if the entry makes sense to me, then I might issue a buy. All right. I hope you guys liked this quick video analysis on DIA token. If you liked it, then please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification.